You know how it is. Cheese.
This is Twinkle,
Your partners in blind on a Monday morning
Yes.
daily habit. Woo! Isn't it like overwhelming feeling that there's another week for you to experience
Yes.
God's love.
Yes.
Alright.
Amazing fact. Meron kang hiningan. There's
Yes,
so
yes.
much things to be thankful for.
Yeah, so a while ago, while we were crossing the street, how unfortunate that there's this motorcycle that went still through even though we're already in the middle of the
Yeah, nasa
street.
gitna na tayo.
Nasa gitna na po kami.
Siya.
It still pushes
Grabe,
through.
meron talaga mga tao doon.
Yeah, so para ba we
Walang
were
pake.
talking about it and say talagang minsan, no, there are most of the times that they don't really care.
Yes.
Now, that doesn't mean that they just don't care. Aside from that, pure selfishness.
Yeah, actually, Han, kasi may tatlong bagay eh.
Ah.
Yung sympathy, empathy, at saka walang pake. Di ba nga sabi nga ni Father, maganda yung homily ni Father kahapon. Yung sympathy, yung nakikisimpatya sa'yo, nakita na nakakaawa. Kasi sabi na, ay, nakakaawa sila. Pero walang namang ginagawa. Sorry.
Ano yan? Nabangga mo?
Wala. Nakikisimpatya.
Oo.
So ngayon yung empathy naman, pag halimbawa sinabi niya, ay nakakaawa siya, pero bibigyan ka ng tulong. May action. Okay?
Yeah.
Tapos naman yung walang pake, yung kahit alam na nila na may ganito ka, meron kang PWD ka. Alam mo yun, alam naman nila na may pinagdadaanan ka or meron kang disability, pero wala talaga silang pake. Not
Yeah.
unless dumating sa point na sila
They'll
yung nasa
experience
shoes
the
mo.
same thing.
Yes.
So, what we're saying again, there's sympathy in where you understand the situation, but there's no course of action. But unlike with the empathy, you nahahabag ka, alam mo yun. I'm so thankful because I've met people like that right now. I just don't wanna mention their names. It is because aside from being private, I'm being astounding impressed with them. You know who you are.
Yes.
Na you don't need to ask for help, they already do it. Maganda yung parang they have the heart and the empathy na, the right empathy so we're so thankful to meeting these people. So you don't need to ask for help, knowing that they know the situation even though they haven't experienced it, but having the right heart, they move and come up with a course of action. So we're so thankful to these people that we are with right now, and you guys know who you are. And then the third one, yun yung pinakamasakit. Some of us don't really care, yung walang pake. Even though hindi na po natin kailangan i-categorize yun, no need to categorize it, of having the feeling of not really, you don't really care. That's fine. Maybe in the course of maybe in time, if in case na we're not praying for it and not even hoping for it, and if that time comes that you will experience, though that's the time that you will most likely will have the right
Can I share my
empathy.
thoughts?
Yeah.
Within the span of 7 months na lumabas na ako, finally, na ako ay blind na. Kasi sighted ako before, di ba? 7 months pa lang ako nakakalabas. So, doon ko na realize I've met lots of different people. Yung katulad yung out of the blue, bigla na lang silang lalapit sa'yo, tutulong sa'yo. Yun yung mga tinatawag na empathy yun di ba?
Yeah, they
Kasi
come
may
up with a course of
action.
action.
Meron din naman yung nagsasabi sa ay kawawa naman siya, pero wala ka naman talagang naririnig sa kanila kundi puro salita lang, tama?
Yeah.
Tapos yun nga, yung mga lampake, yun naman alam na nga nila na ganyan ka, pero talagang wala lang.
Yeah. So anyway, that's our topic for today, and hope that it's all up to you, on how you will come up with your own action or understanding or feelings.
Lahat naman kasi di ba may pinagdadaanan. Pero yung if you choose to stay kind out of your out of your situation, ayun yung tinatawag talagang kindness, noble thing. Kaya alam mo yun,
Yeah.
napakaganda
And
ng mga
always
puso ng mga
remember
tao
po,
ganun.
and always remember po that it's not only of helping the person through financial,
Yeah.
doesn't go that way lang po. You can come up with a lot of support or help. You can give help to other people with the other emotions or feeling or
Yes.
moral support that you can actually provide.
Yes.
So that's what we're saying right now on this beautiful Monday.
Yes, always choose to stay kind.
Always choose to stay kind and
That's
happy
how it is.
Monday
Happy
and
Monday.
take care everybody.
Yes.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye
Bye-bye for now.
bye.
God bless